So when shit get tough with us, make a move. Step us move. Yeah. Music and other things. I ain't been in there for a while, you know. Let's go.
I'm a pep with a bigger step. Need white boy diamonds around this nigga's neck. I stand my place in line cause the nigga's next. Acoustic cool signs on what the nigga meant. Yeah, cause I was birthed in the Mecca. Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey, not the culture. So Lord the culture boss into the bubble. These niggas tripping off my Urban T logo. Fast life, nasty chicks that do blows. Couple sips that I'm getting lost in my kush smoking Cusco. I'm more energy than a whole box of glucose. Touch this kid who's supposed to no side. Got connections with them street educators. Men that wear Armani suits and count paper. My chick half Asian and she knows dope. Yeah, she even loves to watch me smoke still. Rich men don't speak, they let that money talk. We took a loss, put 200 flat. Now I'm back still thinking about them racks. On my low, I ain't thinking about rap. Make a move, step a move. I step a when the step I cruise, make a move. Make a move, step a move. I step a when the step I cruise, make a move. Make a move, step a move. I step a when the step I cruise, make a move. Make a move, step a move. I step a when the step I cruise, make a move.
Albatross fly, purple eye, alligator hungry. You see me, I get chronic smell it. Grammy, I'm a grizzly busy. I gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it in. Gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it in. Eyes red, teeth pearly. Up with the birds early. Nothing worldly, don't concern me. Hunting in the Serengeti. I know you can't dread me, cause the bitches love me. I'm a ghetto nigga, but I'm kinda living lovely. I'm getting eyes uppies, chasing tailors, puppies. I'm Sonic Boom and MC2 and turn used to this. The luck is done. I'm killing everything, one shot Iverson. Never been a bitch, dick, African son. Fuck the world, watch the money come. Not for son, before gonna talk, bring a few come. My clips end confusion.